My friend, welcome to my channel. My name is Rakesh. If I hadn't introduced myself, then I would like to introduce myself. My name is Rakesh, and I am basically from Himalayas, Himachal, and I create English blog video. So, my friend, right now it's evening time. You can see there are so much lush greenery around me, surrounded me, and that is the paved way. So, I'm going to this paved way to the market. This is shortcut, we can say detour. This is shortcut way to market. So I'm going to market to have some vegetables, fruits, and some other grocery things. So right now, today actually it was too much hot. Sun was too much shining, and I actually spent my whole day inside in my room, and I worked also. And in evening time, I felt in evening time maximum people actually feel like even evening time they actually come out from the home because it's the right time to walk, to work, and some other things if they want to do. So right now, so the thing is that I will show you there are so many trees, okay, greenery, and that is the bale tree. That is bale tree. I will show you there. You know, I think you can't see. There are so many bales in this tree, and this bale actually is so much tasty and good for in summer season. I remember when I went to Haridwar for the treatment, Patanjali. So there actually I had bale juice 3 and 4 times. I had bale juice, so much tasty, so much tasty. I think in summer season we should drink bale juice, sugarcane juice, that natural things. We should not drink like Coca-Cola, Maja. That's all not good drink for health. That's all. That's all just a chemical, nothing else. No, actually, if I talk about Maja, then mango juice is not in this Maja bottle. That is the flavor. That flavor actually uh, are made from chemical. Okay, so I think we should avoid that drink. You can see all these tree, all this field. That is right now. It's about to cultivate, about to plow. I think 5 and 6 days people will start to plow their field because after I think 15 and 20 after 15 and 20 days we should sow. We should sow match seed in our field. So that is the time to cultivate maize. So maize means maki, no? Maki. So I really like maki, maize, maki di roti with the sarson da saag and curry. It's very delicious. And this time actually people have gathered their wheat seed, okay, in their home. So some family, some people have much, too much wheat crops, but some people have not too much. That's a normal. And I'm about to reach right now. I will show you there is so many people working in the field, and this is the time to sow so many things, you know, like bottle gourd seed. We can also sow the bottle gourd seed, pumpkin seed, uh, bitter gourd seed. So this is the time we actually sow so many vegetable seed in our field, because in rainy season that all seed that all vegetable that all vegetable vein actually start growing, and they bear the vegetable. Okay, so my friend, I just want to show you, surrounded my place something, and also want to show you like how we can practice English at home, you know. And this is village life. Okay, because I'm from Himalayas, so I'm about to reach right now. So that's for short video. So please like, share and subscribe, and we will meet next video. Thank you very much.